Hello again. Here we will use the source code of Tic-Tac-Toe game and make an executable file for it using pyinstaller. What we need to have Python installed, and for this example we need Pygame installed too. Like I said before, I will use the source code of Tic-Tac-Toe game. I just downloaded it from Pygame website. Okay, first we need to install pyinstaller. So shift right click, open PowerShell window here. Then we need to go here and type pip install pyinstaller. Hit enter. Successfully installed pyinstaller. Now we are ready to make our executable file. We are already at the folder where the source code exists, so we just need to type pyinstaller -- one file -w and game.py, the name of our script. Hit enter. Completed successfully, so now we can close these. And the important thing here, it creates here 3 folders. The important one is the dist. We open this one and here we have our executable. Double click and we got a failed to execute script game error. Why? Because this game uses some external resources like images and audio files. So we need to move the executable file from this folder to the folder where we have the images and the audio files. Okay, so here we can double click and the game opens and everything is working perfectly. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like, it will help me, and as always, thank you for watching.